we make 13% profit in 4 days. Do you caught this profit together with us? I hope you like this kind of strategy. I hope you like my trading simple strategy as well. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar next week. So join the free email list. I will send you the link. So it's first come, first serve. So now I will go ahead to talk about my favorite stock, Tesla. And what's going on with US stock right now? Should we be aware because it's already very high points? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. By the way, this video is just for education purpose. I'm not your financial advisor. Before you do any trade, please advise with your financial advisor. So let's start. Now today we are hitting almost like previous peak. So are we in the trouble now? Are we already very high now? So I want to tell you, last time I have mentioned we have hit the support is around 13343 basically. So around here, and then it go bounce up. With our strategy, basically this candle, if you see this green candle, is our buying signal. So in my course, I will teach you how to buy, how to sell. We have free buy, free sell, and this is advanced course, and it's super easy. We just trade with color basically. Okay, so now we are still in the red zone. So you can see this red zone. So it means we are still in the strong trend. But I want to give you a small hint where is our next resistance point. Basically is around, so you can see our periods, we have a gap down here. Okay, so the gap, also I will taught you how to look at the gap, because gap will form a support line and resistance line. Okay, so this gap, basically we need to be careful. So this one can keep for a while to see if we have strong enough the momentum to break it through. Okay, so this support line is 13343, and our next resistance is this area, the lower line is around 14032. 14032 basically is the highest point of this candle. This is a weekly chart. So highest point of this candle is 14032. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Now we are still in the strong trend. And I have mentioned we have a time interval. We are not just looking at the price, we also have time interval, which is quite not easy theory, but I can tell you when is the next time interval, which is on 7th of July. So basically 80% of time, most of the stock, when they are at the time interval, they will go to opposite direction. Okay, when they're going up, they go down. When they go down, they go up basically. But 20% they will go stronger, they will jump up, or they will go stronger, they go ahead. So I will tell you what kind of factor to determine we go up or go down. We will follow the trend or we go opposite trend. Okay, so now we look at our favorite stock, Tesla. Here, this is our weekly chart. So I have mentioned before a few times the Tesla, our support basically is 238.5. I have mentioned in my video on 22nd of June. You can watch back. So basically it's so interesting, because this candle, basically they hit the lowest price. Oh, I want to show you this one. We hit this lowest price at 240.7. Okay, so it is just $1 different from my support price. Okay, so with our strategy, you should buy basically the next day when we have the green candle with my free buy free sell strategy. So you will buy at this candle. So if you bought it, basically you making, let's say you bought at the highest price, and today basically you have already like 13% profits. Okay, in 4 days, 4 trading days. Okay, so is it easy? So it's very easy if you follow my course, because I use very simple strategy for the beginner to trade. You know, so you just need simple strategy to follow with the system, and then boom, you make the profit. Okay, so now look at Tesla. This is our weekly chart. So Tesla have is quite have a system. So basically, this is weekly chart. You can see every 11 week, basically, they will have an interval. So they will change direction, or they will go ahead to boom to go up. What I want to show you is you need to, so when we are here, okay? So next week would be our interval point. So we need to be very careful. So you can see here we have a gap down, and then this one will form a resistance and support line. When we are above, if we close the candle, this is a weekly chart, so we need to wait the whole week, this week, to close the candle. If the candle close above this line, so we are safe, okay? You can see Tesla has spent 3 weeks here. So this is weekly chart. One candle mean 1 week, okay? So basically, Tesla spent 3 weeks here to battle, and they still close below this purple bar. This purple bar is the gap, okay? So it closed below this, and then now, boom, jump up. Okay, so you have a strong momentum to jump up. So you can see this is from resistance point now become a support line, okay? So now we can see now we are here. So if the candle close above this purple line, okay, then we are safe. And what is this purple line? This one. So basically it's a gap from here, okay? You can see from here, okay? So now our next gap would be around, so our gap resistance is around, so this one is this one is around 262, basically 262, okay? 262.47 is the resistance, used to be. Okay, now it's a support. So let's see if the whole candle will close above this price, 262.47, okay? So if they go above, most likely we will go ahead to go up. If cannot, they come back here in this zone. So most likely, because we hit this time interval, we will have a big chance, 80% go down. Okay, but now so far you look good because we already above here. Okay, so we just need this week to close the candle to see above or in this zone or below. Okay, so it's very, very easy strategy. So now we look at the daily chart. So with our strategy, basically we bought in this green candle, okay? We have 3 buy 3 sell strategy. And I want to teach you something more is about the gap. So you can see Tesla from January to now, we have one big wave in raising up, right? So you can see we have so many gap up. Gap means they jump up, they have a gap between. So it's a strong momentum. So basically it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And today there is 6, okay? So I want to teach you how to see when to buy with the gap. So you can see here, for example, the first gap is from January here, and then it doesn't come back down. It doesn't close between this gap area, right? Within 3 days, they go all the way up. The wick touch it, but the whole body did not touch it. So this means it's very strong, okay? So they go up. And look at this gap. 3 days, within 3 days. So I also will teach you how to look at the gap. So we have basically 2 strategies. Okay, one is the 3-day model, another one is a 10-day model. So it's very, very interesting to see gap. This strategies you see is quite strong. So for example, this one fulfill our 3 days model, and you go up all the way because it's strong. But how about look at this one? This candle, you have one gap here, okay? The green gap mean go up. You can see within 3 days, they go down. Basically, they fall down back to this gap. So it means this trend is weak, okay? So they go down. They have a big adjustment, okay? So if you follow my strategy, basically you will sell at this candle, okay? Okay, so it's easy. So now, for example, this candle also, within 3 days, they go all the way up. This wick touch it, but it did not come all the way down. So it's still strong. So now, today, they flash another get up signal. So how many days do we need to wait? First, we observe for 3 days. So 3 days, if I will also upload another one. If 3 days, you will see a strong candle go up, never touch back. The body did not fall down here, then it's a very strong momentum to go up. So it's interesting because it's 3 days, right? So today is Monday. And I have mentioned this week and next week is quite critical. So we will see. So maybe they flash another buying signal here. So basically we have gap. You can use gap if you miss this buying point. Okay. So we have different strategy. Take like, subscribe, and share with your friend because this one can really help you to make money easily. Yeah. But of course, you need to have capital. And of course, you always need to learn before you earn. Do you agree with me? Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and subscribe my next webinar. I will put the link below. Join my free email list. And okay, and the next one I want to show you is Amazon because if any stock, if you want me to look at, you can put a comment below. I would try to look it up. Okay, so this is Amazon stock. Okay, so Amazon stock, what's going on now? So you can see we are still in the red zone, so we are still strong. What I want to give you a small tips about is like we have a gap from this last year, September, basically. This gap, we are now there. Okay, we are basically at that price right now. So we are still the whole body close below this gap. Okay, so this one basically is one of our resistance price. Okay, if you hold Amazon, so be careful of this. And if they go above this resistance, then it will boom, they will have a high chance to go all the way up. Okay, so and now it's still strong trend. So you just need few battling. Just imagine this is like a ceiling. So you need few times to go break through this resistance. Okay, once the price go above the resistance, they will become a strong support line. Okay, so we just take some time, and this is my sharing today. I hope you like this kind of video. I hope you love money, and I hope you can make more with my knowledge. And I hope you will learn the strategy by yourself, and you will do some amazing trade by yourself. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And tell me what you think. If you want me to focus more on crypto, or if you want me to focus more on stock, give me some comment because I like both, basically. I have both, and I just don't know which one should I focus because with the YouTube, maybe I should focus only one. So, but with my strategy, you can trade both, like crypto or stock. It's the same. Okay. So like, subscribe, share with your friends. See you next video. Bye bye.